Hi friends, and this and totally there are so many queries I collected, and yesterday I went for interview. They asked 8 queries. In that 8 queries are already set 2 queries. Now is the third query. Okay, totally 8 queries are there. Now here what they are asking without using sumif, sumifs, if and some product. Find the total sale. Okay, find the total sales. Okay, how to find this one first of all without using some ifs and some product. Okay, it may be a some subtotal. I think subtotal will not also work. Let's try subtotal. Sorry, subtotal. I will add this one. Let's check it out. I did not got idea on this. 109 comma F4, but I want total sales for ABC. If I change ABC, see, okay, or any other thing, just to show you Excel. Okay, 640 totally. Let's check it out. Excel total 640. Yes, only one Excel is there. Total 640. I will change this to another one. VWX. Okay, let's see. VWX. Only VWX. What I'll do, I'll remove first of all VWX. Selected. See, 878. Okay, understood. I don't know why still ABC are there. Okay, now what I did over in the company, first of all, I converted this into a table and gave one name to this. Okay, Control Shift L, Control T, sum, not sum, data. Okay, data. Sorry, I forgot it. Control T, enter, Alt J T A. Here in the top, I name a table with data. Okay, now it will this table called as data because I want to make it dynamic. Okay, I want to make it dynamic that whenever we add a new salesperson name with sales, so automatically it should update in a sales. Okay, so now I will show you the solution now. Is equal to, there is a function, database function called dsum, database sum. If I press enter, it will show you, see, dsum. Okay, add the numbers in the field column of records in database that match the condition you satisfy. Okay, so dsum and database and name should be, the headers should be capital, first thing. Okay, and second thing is that it should be bold. It should be bold. Then only it will work, else it will not work. So I highlight this. Instead of highlighting all those things, what I'll do, I just name the table, right? So I use data, already there, comma, field. Which field do you want? Okay, either you select this one like this, or you can do which field means second field. You can do like this, second, or you can spell it correctly, sales. Anything you can do it. Okay, this is the field name. Okay, now comma criteria. So name should be same, else it will not work. I have to select like this. Control, sorry, enter. Value error. Why value error?